Hello guys, do you know how to use Explore option in your Google Docs? First of all, open your Google Docs file. Here in the bottom right, you can see Explore option. Just click on Explore. Here, search for what you want to search. For example, why Google? Just search for it. Here you will get the results. If you want to read more, just click here. Read. Come back to Google Docs. If you want to read more, just click on the link. Read. Come back to Google Docs. If you want to add footnote, you can add directly. For example, here you can see cite as footnote. Just click here. Now the footnote is added here. Okay. Here in the image, if you want to add image, click on image, click on insert. You can see here now the image is inserted. If you want to add files, image from your Google Drive, you can also select the file and add it here. Okay. Thank you.